huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. We'll just have a photo op for a bit, and then we'll all sit and have a chat.
These are all the products. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I got a few questions both for Rakshit and Arjun. Here's your mic. Okay, thanks so much for being here. But now we've got a... Oh, yes, don't worry, sir. We are saving electricity. Okay, we've got the glow. So, grooming has come a long way. You know, I mean, it really has. It used to be just about getting out there, having a shower, shaving, and then that's about it. But
Putting oil in your hair.
Putting oil in your hair, which if you were in Delhi winters, then you'd put that coconut oil and then you get out and it freezes on your head.
Yeah, and if you used it in Mumbai, I mean, it would trickle down your face and give you oily skin.
You'd be like a little pan. So what do you think has happened to grooming for men? You know, in today's world, how important has it become?
I mean, as it says, it starts with you. I don't know why it took them so long, men like us, to realize that we also have skin. I mean, you know, it's the largest organ in our body. It covers all of us and takes the maximum beating with the pollution, the sun, the, you know, bacteria, the germs that settle on our face. And we never thought, we thought it was too macho to use a cleansing tonic on our face or, you know, a good scrub, a face scrub. But I think we've evolved. I think products like Nivea have made us realize, you know, and have made products which don't smell that feminine. Okay, so when you're using it, you're not smelling of raspberries and peaches. Okay, you're smelling more manly. You're feeling good about yourself. And actually, it makes it so easy for you to go to this one place, go pick up all these products, okay, and not be too fussy about it. It's in your bathroom or wherever you get ready, and you use it. It's fast, it's efficient, it's effective, and it's been there for 100 years. I remember using Nivea since I've been a kid. You know, that big tin
That blue
jar,
and white,
blue and white tin jar.
It was huge. They had a family, and it was used for every problem.
For every problem.
Yeah.
If you had chaps on your lips, or, you know, your mom would just put it around you. If you got a little rash on your knees.
Just broke up, came out of a relationship.
Yeah.
I'm feeling better, you know?
Yeah, so yeah, I think, you know, they've got when a brand like Nivea, for me, any brand, and why I am emphasizing on brand here is because I believe in creating brands myself. I think we all are brands. I think when any brand lasts out 100 years, okay, and still has a very faithful consumer market, okay, a very loyal consumer market towards them, is obviously doing something right, okay? And I think that is just about being innovative and creating good quality products which work. And that's what Nivea Men does.
Super. I want to ask you, Rakshit, when was the first time you used a Nivea product? How old were you? Do you remember this?
No, I will just steal what Arjun said. Even my memory of Nivea is with the big blue tin, which my mom had on our dressing table. And like he said, it was used for everything. So when it was winter, it was used on the lips. When I fell down while playing cricket, it was used on my foot. So I think that's the strong heritage of the brand, that everybody has a memory of the big blue tin. And I think obviously the brand has evolved a lot.
Yeah, of course. So how important do you think has grooming become in the world now? I mean, how is it's evolved a lot. It's moved up a long way.
See, grooming for women was always in their DNA. I think it's men who have now, over the last 10 years, realized that grooming is something that they also need to do. But what's important is the manner in which they have actually taken up grooming. Till recent past, and even today, a lot of research suggests that men are good at pinching stuff. So most of the men end up using the products that are used by women in the washroom. So they will use their cream, they will use their face wash, and they will not buy it for themselves. Maybe because they are lazy, or maybe they feel that maybe I don't have the right product that is available, or maybe simply that it's not masculine enough. But I think that trend is changing, and that trend is changing for the good. And it's because brands like us, we have come up with ranges, and we have
thing of moisturizer skin, Nivea Men, in my daughter's bathroom suddenly. I see one face wash that has quietly been stolen by my wife. So I think you really all are changing a lot of trends. And in fact, my mom-in-law has been using the dark spot reduction thing. Okay, and what I really like about that is we are not promoting whitening of skin. Okay, we are proud. I mean, I think that's the most racist thing to do, is to promote whitening of skin, you know, and telling somebody, "Arey yaar, gora ban jao." Okay, I think you should be proud. Everyone's unique. Everybody is, color is beautiful. Okay, and we don't want anybody to get white. The problem is that with the beating of the sun, you can get some pigmentation, which are like dark spots that happen, okay, which are damaged parts of your skin. And I promise you that Nivea Dark Spot Reduction Face Wash, you use it. I've used it this whole month. I don't have one spot on my face. And I had about 20 of them, and I actually tried it, and it does work. So, and my mother-in-law will also vouch for that.
Okay, so for someone who's been traveling, you've been traveling from a really young age, working from a really young age all over the world. You've gone everywhere. You've used various products. You've been a model, so you've had a lot of products used on you. Why do you think Nivea would just set it apart for everybody else? So why do you think someone should just honestly use Nivea, just purely from...
As I told you, you know, it's when you believe in a brand or in a faith, and you have faith in it, I only endorse products that I can use. Right. I am not going to endorse any product or be part of any product that me, myself, personally cannot use. So, that's what Nivea is. It goes back, and they've really evolved. Their products are superb. They are superb. It's a one-stop shop, okay? I cannot go into 10 different shops to pick up, oh, I want this face wash from here, or this under-eye cream from here, or I want, you know, this moisturizer from here. I go to the Nivea store, it's all there, and I get it.
Yeah, and you want something made for you. Otherwise, you feel like it's like the first experience of buying a condom. You feel shy about like stuff.
Yeah,
you know, like,
until unless you're getting home delivery.
Yeah, this has happened. Rajinder, yeah, send it over. Rajinder is my ex-girlfriend. Anyway, okay, so her parents wanted a son. I mean, it's just
unbelievable,
that.
Man.
Anyway, Arjun, tell me, what does Nivea mean for you? This is a question I really wanted to ask you. What does it really stand for you?
I think it's a bit of everything that we've said.
Correct.
It means for me a history, a memory, you know, something that I have been attached to, something I'm familiar with. And today it means a lot more because I'm part of the Nivea family. And I think grooming is, what is grooming for me? I feel grooming is that step you take towards getting more confident.
Yep.
You know, is that step that just helps you be more confident, hygienic, okay, and healthy, to keep your skin healthy. And I think that is extremely important. And Nivea offers all of that to men. And so come on, men, let's start it with you, because I'm starting it off. And Nivea Men is now in India. And you guys are going to have a great time because these products are really, really phenomenal.
Thanks, Arjun. Rakshit, I've got a quick question for you. Tell us something about Arjun and him.
And I'm not, what was your girlfriend's name?
Rajinder, but...
I am not Rajinder.
Please don't take that name. I weep. I must use beauty cream.
I don't want Rajinder to get jealous.
All right. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Rakshit. Guys, we're going to open up the floor for any questions you have, but of course, keep them specific to what we're talking about and not about Rajinder or anybody else. So any questions, anyone? Just raise your hand and we'll get a mic sent to you. There.
Gentleman.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. We're just getting a... We had practiced this earlier, but now it's taking a little more time. So you're wearing a pink shirt. This is fantastic. Hello.
Good evening, sir. This is Raj from media. I'd like to ask Arjun Rampal, what would you advise men who want to become fashionable?
Fashionable?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I think everybody has their own style. People talk a lot about style. For me, style is to be original, to be different, to be yourself. And for me, I think men should just feel confident about themselves and go out there and wear clothes not just because you see somebody wearing them, okay? Wear them because you feel comfortable in them. So don't let your clothes wear you, wear your clothes.
Hi Arjun, Sasha from Hotyo.
Hi Sasha.
How are you doing today?
I'm very well.
I actually wanted to ask you because I know a lot of men, they don't use a moisturizer or a sunscreen because they feel that if they use that, their skin gets very oily. So when you talk about Nivea, is there anything as such you can kind of put a message across to men?
Yes, of course. I mean, it is. Men will feel oily if they already have oily skin, and then they're going to apply a cream that has got a lot of oil in it. Okay, that is for your skin types. An oily cream is basically for a person with a dry skin type, and you have a non-oily based cream here, a moisturizer, which is extremely light. Okay, which most of us would need in India. In India, because of the climate conditions and all of that, we all do tend to get a bit of an oily skin. So yes, all those men with oily skin have no fear because Nivea is here.
What about your
hi,
regime, your grooming regime? What do you follow?
Well, I don't want to tell you all of it because it will take really long. No, I'm just kidding. You start with a good face wash. I think keep your skin clean. That's A, okay? Use a good deodorant, okay? Because you don't want to be the smelly one out there, okay? And use a nice light moisturizer. If I'm going outdoors, I use a Nivea sunblock, okay? They have some really nice sunblocks as well. And definitely use some protection on your face. Otherwise, just keep it nice, keep it light, and make it quick.
Hi Arjun, to your left. Here, to your left. Hi, this is Zuhair from Pro Bollywood.
Hi.
Well, Arjun, looking great. So what's your style statement and your fashion funda?
I don't have one yet. I'll be really honest with you. You know, I just wear things that I'm comfortable in. Today, I think I feel more like the Nivea man and the Nivea can. So because I'm also in blue and white, and and I think even we all are looking a bit like the can right now of Nivea man. So so I guess we all are today we've all been influenced by Nivea in our dressing.
अभी साइरस ने बोला कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता है, तो मर्दों को क्रीम की कहाँ तक जरूरत होती है?
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता?
हाँ हाँ।
वो तो
कहाँ पर?
केवमैन की बात कर रहा था।
हाँ ओके। सो मर्दों को क्रीम की कहाँ तक जरूरत होती है, आप बताएंगे?
अच्छा, मुझे तो बहुत दर्द होता है यार। साइरस तो एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं, उन्हें दर्द नहीं होता होगा।
मैं तो उठता हूँ, मैं चिल्लाते चिल्लाने जाता हूँ, बट
Hi Arjun, Neha here. Here, straight.
Hi Neha.
Hi, you look dapper today.
Thank
But
you.
कभी ऐसे हुआ कि career की beginning में your looks were not so impressive. No offense.
अच्छा, ऐसी बात थी।
तो कभी actress ने ऐसे कहा कि I don't want to work with him या ऐसे कुछ looks को
Actress
लेकर
ने?
ऐसे कुछ if you would like to share.
ऐसे बेहुदा बातें मत कीजिए आप यहाँ पर।
ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ?
किसी एक्ट्रेस ने ऐसे कभी नहीं कहा। ऐसी जरूरत नहीं है किसी की।
Arjun, hi, Rekha Khan here.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. अर्जुन, आपके लिए मेट्रोसेक्सुअल
आप रेडियो पे ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, वहाँ तो कोई खड़ा ही नहीं है, रेखा जी।
अर्जुन, आपके लिए मेट्रोसेक्सुअल मैन की डेफिनेशन क्या है और आप खुद को कितना मेट्रोसेक्सुअल मानते हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल मेट्रोसेक्सुअल नहीं हूँ। आई एम अ मैन। आई थिंक एवरी मैन इज जस्ट अ मैन। ये हम लोग बना देते हैं, यू नो, नेम्स लाइक मेट्रोसेक्सुअल, माचो, ये सब कुछ। इट्स अ माचो मैन क्राइज. Okay, a metrosexual man is not necessarily gay. Okay, though even he might wear nail polish, but I don't understand that. I don't wear nail polish, and I am not that macho, and I'm not that metrosexual. I'm just a normal man.
और अर्जुन, जब आपको एक माचो मैन कहा जाता है और जब ये कहा जाता है कि आप बहुत सारी विमेन्स की फैंटेसी है, तब आप कैसा फील करते हैं?
बहुत अच्छा फील करता हूँ। और क्या बोलूँ मैं?
Arjun, here on your left, इधर.
यार मैं left.
जैसे कि सर ने कहा कि ज़्यादातर जो ये प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ये चोरी हो जाते हैं जब एक ड्रेसिंग टेबल पे पड़े होते हैं, और आपने भी बताया कि आपके घर से भी हो रहे हैं कि कभी
हो रहे
आपकी
हैं।
हाँ मुझे बताइए कि आपने पहला कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लगाया था अपने फेस पे चोरी कर कर? कोई याद है आपको जो फर्स्ट कोई याद आपकी ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट की जो आपने यूज़ किया था और वो कहाँ से आया था?
मैंने चोरी नहीं की थी, लेकिन जब मेरा निविया का कैन कम हो जाता था, मैं अपने कज़न के रूम में जाता था और उनका भरा हुआ कैन रिप्लेस कर देता था अपने एम्प्टी कैन के साथ। मैं चोरी नहीं करता था। I was just doing a fair exchange, maybe not so fair.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
I think
Hi,
that's-
Arjun. Arjun, you're right. Okay. What is the best ever compliment you got for grooming?
Like she said, I'm looking dapper now when I'm 40 years old, and I was looking so ugly when I was 20 when I came.
Arjun, to your left, sir. This side, left. Prabhat from Bollywood and Glamour. You are considered to be one of the most desirable and one of the most handsome-looking men in the country. So when you get associated with a brand like Nivea, how does it glorifies its image, and how does your personal image glorifies with the association?
Now I have to make sure I'm the most desirable man of 2013 also, because otherwise Nivea is going to throw me out. No, but I think it's nothing like that. You know, what is desirable? What are these things? This is all perception. You know, I don't believe in taking all these titles seriously. Okay, in fact, my friends make a lot of fun at me, you know, when I get titles like this, and they say, "Oh, you're the most desirable man," and all of that, and Mr. Desirable, or आके मुझे छूने लगते हैं ऐसे. Then, so I think you should have a sense of humor about it. It feels good. It feels great that your fans vote in and they participate in something like that and give you this kind of importance. But at the same time, I think we all are desirable. Everybody is wonderful, and everybody can be wonderful and desirable if they just take care of themselves.
अर्जुन इधर हाय निविया की बात हो गई मैं एक थोड़ा सा बॉलीवुड से जुड़ा हुआ एक सवाल पूछना चाह रहा था आपसे कि सर संजय दत्त साहब अब जेल की तरफ जा रहे हैं क्या रिएक्शन है आपकी तरफ से एक रिएक्शन चाह रहे थे
यार हम यहाँ पर निविया के बारे में बात करने आए हैं अप्रोप्रिएट जगह नहीं है ऐसे सवालों का आप बाद में आ जाइए मेरे कमरे में मैं आपको बता दूंगा
सर अगर एक थोड़ा सा रिएक्शन आप दे देते कि क्या रिएक्शन है बॉलीवुड की तरफ से संजय दत्त जी को लेकर
यहाँ पर नहीं यार ये गलत जगह है उसके लिए
I guess that's about it, guys. But I request Rakshit and Arjun if you could have one more photo opportunity.